Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable SmartThings in your Galaxy M15. To do this, slide up, go to settings, next go to connected device and on the down side you have a CS SmartThings, so click on it. And as you see, you can control your device, automate your device and make your life smarter. So continue. Let's more continue. Discover now a way to enjoy your app. So as you see, we have a 3D map, quick control, live care. Yep, that's it. So skip it. While using the app, let's allow. And as you see, this is the SmartThings, and you can make here everything to enjoy your life much better than now. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!